Hello, in this video we will go through the steps of restarting the Accellos services when the handheld service, RF base, is running through Always Up. This step-by-step guide will show how to restart the Accellos WMS services should a restart be required. The services to be restarted are the Accellos Interface Job Service, RF base, the kernel, application and schedule services, as well as a restart of IIS. Now the Accellos job service can be found on the bottom right hand screen. You can right click and you can see the status of the service, or you can go to services itself, and then here you can see that it's the Accellos interface for job server there. Now you can stop it in both areas. On the bottom right you can right click and click stop job service, and then in services itself, if you refresh, you can see that the service is now stopped. Now the handheld service RF base runs through the application Always Up. If you open the application, you'll see RF base highlighted there. If you hit stop, after a few moments the state will then change from running to then stopped. Okay, now onto the core Accellos services. If you go to the administrator program and then navigate to the connection manager shortcut, you can see on the far left. Here in the connection manager you can see all of the Accellos services. So if you start by hitting test all, it will check the running of the services at the moment. Here you can see it's all okay. Now there's a particular order about how you stop and start the Accellos services. So first it's a schedule service, WMS, kernel, then an IAS reset. So if we start with the schedule, hit stop, there you can see that the status has changed to stopped. And if you wait a couple of moments, then move over to the WMS service, wait a few moments more, and then onto the kernel service. And then once that's complete, we then do an IIS reset, and this will be done through command prompt. So if we go down to start, and find the command prompt and type in IIS reset and hit enter, you can see it's attempting to stop. Wait a couple of moments and then it will start it. Once that's done, then we can reset the other, restart the other services. So we do it in the reverse order this time. So we start from the kernel service. So just hit that green arrow. Then the status will change to running. Then move on to the application. There we are. And then finally the schedule service. There we go. Now just to test that everything's up and running, just hit test all once more and it will work through and you can see that everything's okay. Okay, now that the core Accellos services have been restarted, we can go ahead and restart the handheld service, RF base. So if you open up Always Up and hit start, you can see in the progress bar at the bottom, and the state is now changed to running. And then the interface, you can see down here, it's showing as stopped. If you right click and choose start, you see it's now running. And if you see in services, you can see it started. Thank you for watching this short video on how to correctly restart the Accellos services. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to find out more information, please don't hesitate to contact Balloon One.